Thank you for joining us. I'm Hunter Funk. National Prescription Drug Take-Back Day. It's a time where law enforcement agencies all over the nation offer a safe way for people to get rid of their unused prescriptions. Idaho was no different. Across the Treasure Valley yesterday, police departments participated in the event. In Nampa, Officer Jacob Whistler says NPD was able to get a lot of drugs off the street. Here's Tracy Bringhurst.
We had approximately 150 vehicles drive through our disposal site, and we had 10 total boxes yielding over 200 pounds of prescription drugs that will eventually be incinerated and disposed of.
Officer Whistler says prescription drugs are safe for those using them properly, but unfortunately, sometimes prescription drug use turns into addiction.
From 2019 to 2023, I was attached to the DEA's overdose team, and I responded to over 350 drug-related overdose deaths, specifically fentanyl-related overdose deaths.
He says after speaking to those victims and family members, he learned they became addicted to drugs after recovering from surgeries or for having some sort of pain. Then it led them to finding the drugs the illegal way.
Addiction is so powerful, they'll reach out to friends and family members and try to find if there's any sort of extra pharmaceutical pills that they may have laying around. But then when that avenue runs out, they'll turn towards the streets and trying to get them from illegal sources.
Whistler says drug dealers tend to distribute fentanyl designed to look like prescription drugs, meaning those illegal sources can ultimately lead to hospitalizations and death.
If you are obtaining drugs, even if it's a pharmaceutical drug, if you're not the one that's getting it from the manufacturer, from the doctor specifically, you don't know what's in that drug. You don't know what's in that product.
The national program started in 2010 when law enforcement started seeing a spike in illegal prescription abuse, and because properly disposing drugs can be difficult to do.
Flushing them down the toilet can potentially contaminate the water system. You don't necessarily know who may be taking them out of the trash cans. Again, that could be an inadvertent way that you're putting drugs on the streets.
Although there are take-back events twice a year, people can also take any medications into most local police departments 24 hours a day.
Drug addiction is a very real thing. Anyone that is suffering from drug addiction can reach out for help. Not only the police are willing to assist you, there are plenty of other programs that are available to assist people with their drug addiction.
Now, the next local drug take-back day is in April 2025, and anyone you know who is experiencing addiction can call the National Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. Their number is 877-726-4727. You will be referred to a local substance abuse program.